showed you all the cameras. This is the cabinet and where all the cameras live. There are 3 different shelves that'll have the cameras. Most important thing when you are storing, especially anything that has a lens on the DSLR or the mirrorless, is making sure that you're placing either it flat on the bottom as such, or you are placing it with the lens straight up. We should never be placing cameras on the lens like that. The lens are the most important part of the cameras, and we want to have these cameras to be able to use them for a long time, so making sure you store them correctly is super important. This metal cabinet is where you would sign out cameras if you ever need to sign them out, but also this is where all of the battery chargers, the batteries and the chargers, the batteries are, and where to charge the batteries for most of the cameras. Underneath the cabinet is where you would charge all of the camcorder cameras, the batteries for the camcorders. This bottom shelf here was where you would charge the T6i, so it's camera N and P, or the R100, which is cameras H or M. So all the batteries are down here. This middle row would be for your M50s, so that is cameras G, I, W, X. Those are the cameras that you would charge your batteries here. And then up top, these are for your T6Is, so that's camera D, J, L, and those cameras. Okay, so you remember so that's where you would charge all your batteries in this cabinet here to replace and grab new batteries.